Hello my darlings and welcome. In this video I show you my recipe for road opening spell oil to open possibilities and create new opportunities. Road opener oil belongs in any spell for a new beginning. I dress a spell candle with the oil and do a road opening spell at the end. Let's do some magical crafting. I'd like to thank Exquisite Candles for sponsoring this video. I'll be using exquisite spell candles for the road opening spell after we make the oil recipe, and there's a link to these spell candles below. I'll be using the orange candles from this box of 48 chime-sized spell candles. The color orange is used in road opening magic, attraction spells, and magical workings for good luck. Road opening oil is one of the most popular recipes I've shared in the past. It's used to clear blockages or obstacles in one's path. It's often used in rituals or spells to promote success, prosperity, and good luck. The first herb I'm adding into the master jar is lemon verbena leaves. I'm adding this plant for its ability to strengthen relationships and bring harmony to a partnership. Use lemon verbena to cleanse and purify a space, to promote love and happiness, or to ward off negative energies. Next, I'm adding lemon balm. A member of the mint family, lemon balm is often used in spells and rituals related to love, fertility, and happiness. It's also used to attract prosperity and abundance. The herb has protective properties and is used in spells for protection and banishing negative energy. The third ingredient is lemon peel. Lemon peel is known to draw both love and friendship. Its uplifting scent can dispel feelings of depression. Lemon magic is uplifting and happy. It represents the sun's energy and success, and I'm adding lemon into this oil for its properties of optimism and success. Angelica root has a number of magical properties, including the ability to protect against negative energies and promote spiritual growth. Angelica is a popular ingredient in spells for protection and luck. Next, I'm adding hyssop. Another member of the mint family, hyssop is often used in spells and rituals for purification, spiritual cleansing, and protection. Since ancient times, hyssop has been used to purify sacred space and for sacrificial and purification rites, and is mentioned in the Bible several times for these uses. The next ingredient is cinquefoil or five-finger grass. If you don't have this plant native to your area, you may be able to find it as a tea. Traditionally associated with magic and folklore, five-finger grass brings good luck, prosperity, and success. It is often used in spells and rituals to bring about positive change and to bring good fortune. This herb is added for the 5 blessings that each of its leaves brings: health, money, love, power, and wisdom. This is Abre Camino, also known as road opener. It's a plant commonly used in traditional folk magic. It's used in traditional Latin American spiritual practices, particularly in Afro-Caribbean traditions such as Santeria and voodoo, hoodoo, conjure, and root work, to clear obstacles and open the way for new opportunities and positive change. In magic, Abre Camino is often used in spells to bring about change or to communicate with the spirit realm. It may be used to help with divination, to open the way for new opportunities, or to clear negative energy. The base oil for my spell oil is sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil is associated with the planet Mercury and the element of air. Due to its association with Mercury, the god of speed and communication, almond oil is known for its quick effects. The magical properties of sweet almond oil include prosperity, wisdom, and attraction. I have found that sweet almond oil is good to use in spell oils to attract the things that you want. I'm adding vegetable glycerin to act as a preservative. Glycerin is used in products to help prevent the growth of bacteria, mold, fungi, and other microorganisms. Doing so helps to ensure a long and stable shelf life. I'm also adding some vitamin E oil to extend the life of the oil. Vitamin E oil helps to extend the shelf life of oils by preventing rancidity. Both vitamin E oil and jojoba oil work for this purpose, and either one is a good choice when making spell oils at home. I've created a printable Book of Shadows page for this recipe. If you'd like to download it, please visit Magical Crafting on Patreon at the link below the video. My patrons can download recipes, Book of Shadows pages, artwork, and more, all provided as PDFs. This Book of Shadows page will also be available as a digital file in my Etsy shop. Road opener oils are typically composed of invigorating scents such as orange and lemon to provide a boost of positive energy. I'm adding lemon essential oil to add the magic of the plant and the lemony scent. Lemon promotes joy, and its sweet citrusy scent is uplifting and can dispel depression. As I stir it into the oil blend, I add my energy and intention for the spell oil. Once you've added all of your ingredients, seal the master bottle and allow the mixture to steep for 4 weeks or more. Once my oil has infused with all of the herbal essences, I use a pipette to fill smaller bottles that I offer in my Etsy shop. I'll leave a link to this oil below the video. There are various ways to use road opener oil. It can be added to your bath water, applied directly to the skin, or used to anoint an altar. It can be added to water and used to clean floors and doors, or applied to a piece of red or orange flannel and kept in a purse or pocket. You might add it to your laundry when washing your bed sheets if you are seeking love. To open the road to financial prosperity, put the oil on loan or job applications or bank statements. I'm burning a bit of Abre Camino wood and frankincense as I prepare the space for my spell work. I begin with the orange spell candle and carve my name and birthday into it. I also carve my intentions into the candle. I'm carving several intentions into the candle and visualizing the roads opening towards them. Next, I use the oil to anoint my spell candle. The intentions of this road opening spell is to open new roads and opportunities for friendship and financial prosperity. I'm also including a prosperity sigil I created. I've written my prosperity sigil in gold ink. I fold the paper toward me twice and place it under the candle. I surround my candle with several items to add the energy I desire, beginning with gold pyrite to draw wealth. I'm also adding some rose petals to promote friendship. and I'm placing star anise around my candle to promote good luck and a successful working. I'm also adding allspice berries to bring wealth. Then I visualize my intention and light the spell candle. As you do your own road opening spell, visualize your intentions as the candle burns. If your traditions call for it, you may wish to bless your candle, chant or speak words while it burns, invoke a deity or pray over it, or recite the 23rd Psalm. May all of your roads be open, and may your opportunities and blessings be bountiful.